I'm making this video because I've noticed that the majority of people who are learning Arabic quit at the very beginning. So I asked myself that question: why is Arabic so hard to these people? And I found the answer. So I'm here to give you the answer to this question and to tell you what to do to get over that. My name is Abdurrahman. If Abdurrahman is too hard for you, you can call me Abdul. I know my name can be tough sometimes. I am Egyptian. I've been living in Egypt my whole life, so I'm a native Arabic speaker. But this video is not about me, it's about you. So let's get started right away. So what's so hard about Arabic, and what can I do to make my life easier? The real problem, the real pain in the neck about Arabic is the alphabet. So what's wrong about the alphabet? Well, the Arabic alphabet is 28 letters, and these 28 letters per se are not difficult at all. What's difficult is that the Arabic language is a cursive language. If you look at this word on the screen, you'll find that there are no spaces between letters. This means that for each letter, you need to know how the letter looks like isolated and how the same letter looks like at the beginning of the word, at the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. Because there is a slight difference between each one of the 4 positions of the letter. So now, instead of you recognizing 28 shapes, you're now recognizing over 100 shapes. And I understand that when people know that, they feel like, oh my god, that's too much work. And if only the alphabet would take me that long to learn. So what about the other stuff? What about the grammar? What about the prepositions and pronouns and structure? So that makes you feel overwhelmed and you feel like you want to quit. Well, here's my good news for you. The Arabic language is 99% phonetic. What do I mean by 99% phonetic? It means that what you see is what you get. At the beginning of the video, I told you that I am a native Arabic speaker. That means that I had to learn English the traditional way. Classes and studying, listening and speaking and grammar and vocabulary and all that stuff. So I learned that the letter H is pronounced like that. And when I was starting to learn vocabulary, I got this word. And I was, yeah, that's easy, honest. Fine, H, honest. But it turned out to be honest, not honest. So for a reason that I don't know, and I think that you don't know either, we don't pronounce the H. Another word, back when I was learning English, I was talking to a British person and I was happy about something. And I said, that is awesome. That was quite an embarrassment for me. So he looked at me smiling and he was like, awesome? I said, yeah, A-W, awesome. So I guess you get my point. In Arabic, there are no such surprises. What you see is what you get. So once you learn the alphabet, which is a pain in the neck, I know, you will read 99% of the words. And the 1% of silent letters in Arabic, they have rules. So once you know these rules, then you will be able to read 100% of all the words. So after you learn the alphabet, after you master the alphabet, all you need is a bunch of vocabulary with some pictures. If you have the word like asad, asad means lion. So if you have this word associated with a lion's picture, so you'll be able to know how to read this and you'll be able to know what is the meaning of it. And that's it. Familiarize yourself with a bunch of vocabulary, Google image any word that you want to know, and you'll only need a dictionary for like the abstract words like freedom and all that stuff. So now comes the time of my advice to you. Do not be fooled by the difficulty of the alphabet. Do not skip it. Do not give up until you finish them. And after you finish the alphabet, you will never feel demotivated. You will never feel frustrated ever again. And that is why I'm designing a course to make the alphabet easy for you. I'm just right now taking my time to collect the right material so that the course is perfect. And once it's 100% done, I will announce the course and you'll know about it. If you're still watching, that means that you have got it in you, and that means that you can do it. That was it for today. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press on the bell because I'm gonna make some other videos soon. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.